Bulgur cups of onion and raisins. We'll be needing 1.5 cup of fine brown bulgur soaked in water for 1 hour and 1 big boiled potato. Squeeze the bulgur out of the water and put them in a new bowl. Cut the boiled potato and add it to the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of thyme. Blend all the ingredients together with a hand blender. Keep blending until the consistency is integrated. Prepare a pan and top it with butter paper. Put a small bowl of water next to you. Wet your hands whenever you need and start kneading for at least 2 minutes. For making the cups, with the palm of your hand, take a small portion of the bulgur mix. Make a small hole in your pinky. Dip it 1 time and then dip it with the water and then make a circle around it until you form a nice opening. Then, with the 2 fingers, as you see, you build the wall and fix them. Put them all on the butter paper in the pan, and after you're done, go over the pan and you can refix any one you want. Put the tray in a middle rack on a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 30 minutes. When done, take them out and they're ready to be filled. We're gonna fill them with onions and raisin mix. You can also fill them with ground beef mix. For the filling, we need 3 big onions, half a cup of raisins, half a cup of walnuts semi-crushed. Slice the onion lengthwise in the manner that you see. On a medium heat, add 1/4 cup of olive oil. When it's heated up, add the onions in the way that you see. It's important to wait patiently for the onion to caramelize. The secret of the flavor is locked in the caramelized onions. When done, move the onion to the side and add the raisins. Move the burner to the side of the raisins. After 1 to 2 minutes, move the raisins to the side and now you can add the walnuts. After 1 minute, with a wooden garlic hammer, press and stir the walnut with the garlic wooden hammer. Then do the same for the rest of the mix. Add 1 tablespoon of sumac, 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix and cook for 2 minutes. Pour in a bowl, let it cool, and then fill the bulgur cups.